Ever wished you could magically erase unwanted text from your precious photos, leaving them looking pristine and professional? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the powerful world of Adobe Photoshop to make that happen with effortless precision. First, open your image in Photoshop for this tutorial. We've got this stunning landscape, but as you can see, there's some distracting text right here. Our goal is to make this text vanish without a trace. The key to a clean removal is using the right tools. We'll primarily focus on a couple of Photoshop's most intuitive selection tools. Let's start with the Lasso tool. Simply click and drag to carefully select the text you want to remove. Try to get an accurate selection right around the edges of the text. Once the text is selected, we need to tell Photoshop to fill this space with something that matches the background. A fantastic and often the most effective method is using Photoshop's Content-Aware fill. Go to the Edit menu, then click on Fill in the Fill dialog box that appears. Make sure the Contents setting is switched to Content-Aware, then simply click OK. Watch as Photoshop intelligently analyzes the surrounding pixels and seamlessly blends them to fill the selected area. In many cases, this one step will leave your photo looking like the text never existed. For more complex text or backgrounds, you might need to refine. If there are any slight discrepancies, you can use the Clone Stamp tool or the Spot Healing Brush tool to touch up those tiny areas, ensuring a completely flawless finish. With these simple steps, you can transform your images by removing any unwanted text, from watermarks to captions, and elevate your photo editing skills significantly. So go ahead, give it a try, and start creating those polished, professional visuals you've always wanted.